Welcome back to the Homestead. And today I got a new toy. So I've used it a little bit and I really wanted to do a full review for you guys and YouTube. So this is the RYOBI 40-volt brushless 14-inch chainsaw. So it did come with a 40-volt lithium battery, and it has 4 amp hours. And the reason I bought this, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I do use a 40-volt 2 amp hour pole saw, and I've actually been using it to try to cut some of these trees down, and that's what you end up with. It's not made for it. You do what you can. So I have trimmed some of that, but when you come up to this kind of tree, you know, it's a little bit bigger, and as you can see, we're getting a lot of sunlight in here as I started clearing out. So we just have a couple more to clear. I figured this would be the best time to do it and the best time to get a new saw. Now, the crazy thing about this is when you're in the store, you can buy the saw by itself, tool only, or you can purchase it with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger together. Now it's only a $50 difference to get it without the battery. So I was like, okay, well, that's kind of odd. So I got one of the guys at the big box store and I was like, hey, how much is it for a battery, 4 amp hour battery, and a charger by itself? It was over $220 just for the battery. So this is like getting a saw for free for just buying the battery and the charger. It costs more for a battery and a charger by itself than this whole thing together, which is weird. Don't know. But enough of me yapping. Let's get sawing some trees down. And I've already got some oil in there, bar and chain lube, and let's get to it. Yeah, I really like this. This is so much easier than using that cruddy pole saw for this. I'm gonna spin you around this way because we have another one to do over here. If I can get y'all set up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to pull this battery, and this is a hefty battery. This is twice the size of my 2 amp hour battery, and this thing is big. Put the guard back on. So as you can see, 3 trees, no time at all. This was the biggest one, and you can tell how big. It's probably, I don't know, 6-inch diameter, 7-inch diameter on that one. And then this other small one might have been a 3 or 4-inch diameter, and it's just like nothing, like butter. So that's my review. I really like it. The price was right. It was under 200 bucks. Like, as much as abuse I've done on that pole saw, like, I am so happy with this. Thanks for watching.